Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Jira initiatives versus epics. We'll explore their distinct purposes and how they fit into your project management hierarchy. First, we'll define what an epic is and its role in Agile development. Then, we'll move on to understanding initiatives, which provide a higher-level strategic view. Finally, I'll help you determine which one is better suited for different scenarios, ensuring you choose the right tool for your team's needs. Jira epics serve as the foundational building blocks for larger pieces of work within a single project. Think of them as significant user stories or features that often span several sprints. They are typically broken down into smaller, more manageable stories, tasks, or subtasks, allowing teams to deliver value incrementally. Epics are crucial for organizing and tracking progress at the team level, providing a clear scope for development efforts. Moving up the hierarchy, Jira initiatives are essentially collections of related epics. They represent broader, strategic goals or programs that often require coordination across multiple teams and even different projects. Initiatives provide a portfolio-level view, helping organizations align their development efforts with overarching business objectives. They are instrumental for long-term planning and ensuring that all work contributes to a larger, unified vision. So, which is better? The answer isn't one over the other, but rather understanding their complementary roles. Use epics for managing large features or user stories within a single team's project, typically spanning a few sprints. Opt for initiatives when you need to group multiple epics under a strategic umbrella, especially when coordinating across several teams or projects. Both are vital for effective project and portfolio management, depending on the scale of your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.